This is Kimi and
Mio
from Chatty Cherries! Hello po!
Nice to meet you, everyone!
Nice to meet you!
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Cherries, paalala lang po, we're not professional Japanese teachers. Just a Filipino-Japanese half and a pure Japanese sharing our life here in Japan.
Para mas madali ang pamumuhay niyo dito sa
Japan! Yeah! Para mas maging madali po. In this channel, we'll share little things about daily life, Japanese manners, and culture, yung mga bagay na makakatulong para mas maging comfortable ang pagstay nyo dito sa Japan. Pero not only for people living here, but also para sa mga gustong bumisita at mag-work soon in Japan. Yes, sa inyo pong lahat.
We'll make videos para maging mas fun at worry-free ang stay niyo dito sa
Japan! Yes! Sa inyo pong lahat! Yay! So, if you're interested in life in Japan,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our Cherry family!
yay! See you in our first video!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
またね
またね！またお会いしましょうね！
バイバイ
バイチャー